Sweeter though.
Yes,
Right.
yes.
Sweet and clean.
That one's fresh.
That one's flour. Mine is more like powdery.
I like your wife's candle better.
Give me some good food. Give me some peace of mind. Sunshine, give me some sky.
Hey y'all, welcome. I'm Tay Renee. Thanks for joining me. In this vlog, we're headed to Hilton Head, South Carolina for our anniversary. This is our first time here, so here's a little sneak peek into our vacation. I'll tell you right offhand, we did have some technical difficulties, so I don't have as much footage and things to show as I normally try to show because some of the footage was damaged, but here's the footage that got salvaged. Check out the palm trees, y'all. A lot of people are surprised when they visit South Carolina the amount of palm trees they see, but this is the Palmetto State. You know how each state has this slogan or nicknames, like Virginia is for lovers. Well, South Carolina is the Palmetto State. The resort we're staying in is the Omni Resort. I loved it, y'all. We will definitely be back. Our plan is to at least visit once a year. So Hilton Head did not disappoint. The Omni Resort did not disappoint. We will definitely be back. And next time I'll have better and more detailed footage for y'all. So here's a glimpse of the courtyard for y'all. They have a fire pit, which we spent some time at. It's pretty large. I don't know if that's coming across on here. They also have a few different sitting areas. Here's a glimpse of the lobby where you first walk in. They offer valet parking, and they also have a shuttle bus to get you back and forth from certain entertainments and activities. Alright, so let's move on to the footage of the room that we stayed in. It was a partial ocean view. Luckily, I hurried up and did another quick tour of it with my camera. So I'm glad I had that to show y'all. So here's the view you're going to get if you pick the partial ocean view. Have a little balcony here. You have a view of the courtyard, one of the swimming pools. Well, actually, once I was all the way out there on the balcony, I could see another of one of the resort pools as well. You see that little bridge right there that leads to the beach. So I got to the beach in like a couple of minutes, but I was kind of like speed walking because I was trying to make the yoga, the morning yoga beach class. So, you know, if you're just like leisurely walking, then I say depending on where your room is at in the resort, it can take anywhere from like 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how fast you're walking. Please excuse all of the luggage and everything. We're checking out. We're about to leave. We're packing up. We were very comfortable in this room. Everything was clean. I like the layout of the room, the decor. Oh, one of the features I loved is they had this little thing where you scan and it brings up all the apps that you can just log in, so you can sit up, watch your favorite show. If that's the kind of thing you like to do on vacation, you can have a view of the ocean, open up the balcony, have the sound of the water in the background, relax, kick up your feet, and watch any of your favorite shows if you have your own personal account to these streaming services. So here's the view of everything at nighttime. Oh, you know, I forgot about this pool right here. So I think I could see the third pool as well when I was sitting out there on the balcony. So these two, and then there's one over here to the left that you can't see it, and I didn't get. All three pools are heated. So luckily I took some footage on my phone when we went to the jazz club, so they're able to give y'all a little sneak peek into one of the jazz clubs they have here in Hilton Head.
Would you welcome to the stage right now, Miss Kiana Powell, the two-time Grammy Award-winning vocalist right here at the Jazz Club.
Hey, y'all. Hey. Give it up for the band one more time. Let me trash man in the trash today. People make the world run. That's what makes the world run. The ups and downs on carousel. Running away with me. La 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 la. It was just my imagination. Gotta have for a good all the things that you get out of life. Oh.
Look what we came home to. Oh, look, who drew this? Oh, it's a little card, babe. Got us some. Is this wine or champagne? Champagne?
It's probably some apple juice.
Dessert. We already had dessert. What you talking about? Apple juice.
Okay, it's a little Prosecco.
Okay. Get that out for me. We full off dessert. I just had some carrot cake at the jazz spot, which was delicious, and some gelato. Congratulations on 24 lovely years together. We are so happy to be part of your celebration.
Enjoy this sweet treat. Warm wishes, Ren.
Oh, thank you, Ren. We can take it to the pool. Another of my favorite activities was the candle making. I had actually recorded from the very beginning to the end of that, and like 90% of that footage was lost. That was my favorite part, favorite activity to do. So I was really bummed out. I mean, really, really, really upset about that, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm going to pick up my candles the next day. We headed back home. Oh my God.
Anniversary.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh yeah, mine's better than yours.
Tez, you don't know. Let me smell both of them.
No, I think I won.
Oh, mine smell good. I don't know. You want to tell us what you think?
See, I think I was smelling these this morning.
No hurt feelings. Do you mind me recording you? Okay.
I like both. This one's
Okay.
sweeter though.
Yes,
Right.
yes.
Sweet and clean.
That one's fresh.
That one's flowery. Mine is more like
Yeah.
powdery,
They both
flowery.
smell so good.
Oh, you like his better because it's sweeter, huh? It's okay.
It's got that.
She
pear-
like
it's
both.
got that
See,
pear in it.
she like both. But mine got that lily of the valley. Thank you very much. We had so much fun.
Thank you.
Happy anniversary. Enjoy your candle.
Thank you.
Oh,
she-
I see that one.
She couldn't even pick. It's equal. Might find me a dress. Hey y'all, can you see me in the reflection? I like these scarves. Look at that one. This one. Hello, how are you?
Did you make a candle?
Yes.
Oh, great.
I got
That's
two.
fun, huh?
Yes, you want to smell it?
Oh, yeah. Are they the same?
No, they're both different.
Vanilla-ish?
I can't. That one's my husband's. I don't know
Oh,
what
oh.
he put in it. He got pear in that one. And that one's mine.
I like yours. I like yours
He's in the
better.
bathroom. I'm gonna tell him.
Yeah, I do.
Y'all heard that, right? Mine's won that vote. I know. Terrence just smell like some fruit. Oh, this is a cute little jacket. Hold up now. Wait a minute. What's the prices like in here? Is this $345? Am I reading that right? She said she liked mine better, babe. You missed it.
I like your wife's candle better.
She told me.
My Frank Lucas. Even though I do like these right here. I like those are cute.